Python strings and integer concatenation. I want to create a string using an integer appended to it, in a for loop. Like this. But it returns an error. Type error, unsupported operand types for plus, int and str. What's the best way to concatenate the string and integer?
Note: the method used in this answer, backticks, is deprecated in later versions of Python 2 and removed in Python 3. Use the str function instead. You can use. It will print string 012345678910. To get string 0, string 1 ... string 10, you can use this as you suggested. For Python 3, you can use. It will print string 012345678910. To get string 0, string 1 ... string 10, you can use this as you suggested.
To get string 0, string 1 ... string 10, you could do like.
The stri function converts the integer into a string.
Software.